Hey, how's it going? My name's Smash.
And I'm Breadwinner.
And you know, we're the program directors here at Crier Creek, and one thing that we really love to do is to scare people. So we're going to bring some people in here, act like we're interviewing them, when actually we're just going to scare them. Brett, are you excited about this?
I'm so excited.
Well, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Scaring with Scary Face.
And Bread. Just do one person at a time. And so if it's like two people, just do the first person and the second person. How have you been blessed this summer working at Crier Creek?
I've been blessed by a lot of the relationships I've made this summer, in particular with Cheetos and
Gosh! What the heck?
Thanks, Chow.
How have you been blessed this summer working at Crier Creek?
I have been blessed by so many people, but especially by Falls and Raj. I just really appreciate how every time I come into the HP, you're the worst! You're the worst! You're so evil!
Why? What's wrong? Come on, TV.
Do you have an idea what you're going to say?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. And you're just going to look at me and pretend like the camera isn't there. How have you been blessed this summer working at Crier Creek?
Well, someone who's really blessed me this summer is Anthro. She's just been really supportive.
Hey, good job. That's it.
Good job. Do you have an idea of what you're going to say yet?
No, I have no idea.
Okay. Oh gosh. How have you been blessed this summer by working at Crier Creek?
I've been so blessed. Everyone who works here is like so joyful and they're always willing to help me out if I'm stressing. One person I would say that has been really awesome to work with is Anthro because our oh my gosh! You're so mean! That's terrible! I'm sick. That's so mean! Oh! Just a setup? This entire thing?
Something like that.
Wow.
Crier Creek is one of those unique places where you can really, like our directors have said, is a greenhouse effect. And part of being in this greenhouse is like you are so intentional with what the Lord is really teaching you. And one of the biggest things He's put on my heart this summer has really been trust, to see His provision, even though. Oh my gosh! Trust. Yeah, I don't trust you anymore.
Trust is what you learned this summer, especially by your superiors, right, Sam?
Do you have like an idea what you're going to say?
No idea.
Okay.
What's the question again?
Alright.
Why did John pick me to go first? Gee whiz.
How have you been blessed this summer by working at Crier Creek?
Well, first off, coming from another camp, just completely new staff environment. It's just been awesome. The staff has just been so welcoming. And just the ability. Oh my gosh. That wasn't funny at all.
Listen, one of the changes that I'm actually on this video.
Okay, you can sit right in the middle of the couch. I'm going to close this door and make it a little quieter. How have you been blessed this summer working at Crier Creek?
Well, one way I did this specifically was week one I had a fast forward family.
So you can say it in.
So week one I had
Tap out. You better tap out.
Are you okay?
Yes, just got choked by Deshaun. He's a fighter, not a flighter.